today's video we're going to be making these DIY bauble trees. I just think they're so cute, and I was at my sister's house the other week and she had one on her fireplace that she had made, so I convinced her to make a second, and that is what I wanted to film for you guys today. So I really hope you enjoy. You only need Christmas baubles, a hot glue gun with the refills, and that is it. It is just two things that you need to make this tree, and I just think they're so cute and it was fun to make. So I have linked the glue gun below if you're looking for hot glue gun. I'll link it below. It's just from Amazon. But yeah, let's get into today's video. So the first step is to lay out all your baubles flat and get ones that are the same size. So we picked 9 baubles here for the base of the tree, and all you do is just glue in between them and hold them until they slightly dry. Make sure that the inside bit where the string is pointing to the inside of the tree so that we can hide that. And just continue to glue and hold all the way around until you've got your bottom layer of the tree ready to go. After they are all glued, I recommend leaving this layer to dry for about 5 or 10 minutes so it is strong enough to hold your second layer. So whilst it was drying, we then just collected the baubles for the next layer and arranged them into a nice order where there wasn't two of the same colour together. Next, just place the baubles on top of the first layer that we just made and glue them at the sides, and also don't forget to glue a little bit underneath. Just press and hold them until they stick. So after we had left the second layer to dry for a few minutes, we then collected the baubles for the third layer, and for this layer you want to use some of the larger baubles and then infill it with some of the medium size and small ones. Don't forget to also glue underneath the baubles as well as on the side, because you want them to be attached to the layer underneath and not come apart. So as you're moving up the tree, it's important to have a range of different size baubles to create the tree effect, and then also make sure you're using smaller ones nearer the top. So I love the addition of the sparkly baubles in this tree as well. I would definitely recommend adding some of those or the glass effect ones, just so it gives a nice glisten, especially in the evening time. So I absolutely loved how these trees turned out, and they were so easy and quick to make. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and if you want me to do some more DIYs on my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see some more Christmas content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.